Alright guys, Nacho's been at Grandma's house all day. My mission is to go inside first and make sure that I get all of their excitement, Nacho's and Mia's, out before we bring B2 in the house, so that B2 doesn't wake up. That's Bay's plan that she formulated. Hey Nacho! Nacho! Hi Mia! Hi! Ah, come this way! Come this way! Come this way! No, Nacho, come this way! This way! Ah, oh my goodness! Shut the door! Come here! Nacho, come in! Come in! Oh no. Come here, Mia! Oh, our plan was foiled.
Sorry.
They're supposed to come in and shut the door so that we can get all their energy out so that they don't wake me too. That's okay. Hey, come here. Hey, shh, no, ow! Stop. Hey, come here. Hey.
Look, there's your dad.
Hi.
Her heart's beating like crazy.
Nacho! The Chihuahua! Oh, the dizzy Chihuahua right now. She's so excited. Guys, I really did miss Nacho. What? Oh, I know, I tried my bestest, but she's just a savage. Okay, let's go talk to Nacho. Let's go talk, okay? Nacho, let's talk about Thanksgiving, okay? It's been a while since we've talked to everyone. No, wait, where are you going? What the heck? I have no control. I'm trying to hold her. Come here. Hey. Come here.
Don't touch her. Hold her.
No, she gets last chance. Nacho, you're gonna stay. Don't run away from me. Stay. Good girl. Good girl, Nacho. Hey, Nacho. That's a cute bone on your new collar. Okay, guys, my phone has been so bad. I had the Google Nexus 6P, and yes, I had the battery issue. And my phone would die every time I tried to record a video. So that is why we haven't had a Nacho video for a couple days. I really wish that I would have gotten her Thanksgiving video because she ate so much turkey. I think turkey's good for dogs. I don't think it's bad for her, at least. So if anybody knows whether turkey is good or bad for dogs, then just let us know in the comments. Hey, go see Mom. Go see her. No, don't bark. What the heck? All right, well, that's about all we have for right now, other than I want to let you guys know that Nacho is going to start going live again. I think it's December 5th, 2017. So if you're watching this at any point after December 5th, 2017, then make sure that you're subscribed so that you can know when we go live. And if it's like before that, then you can still subscribe. Okay, that's it. Dinner time. Bye. Ciao. Hasta luego. Check in the suggested box for more videos from Nacho the Chihuahua.